Good morning. Just a very short video about how to deliver a great lesson. And this one really is using that essential skill of listening and just going away and practicing the simple stuff. Now, when I say listen, it's just really, in some respects, if you listening sounds easy, but actually it's really difficult and it's an underestimated skill. And what you can do if you're new to training is just practice repeating back. So, for example, I'm not a fan of this question, but I'm going to use it because it's a common question. What would you like to do today? I'm not sure. Okay. So, what are you not sure about? And then be silent, wait, and then you're more likely to get an answer come back. And that answer will give you more insight. I mean, they might say things like, I've been practicing my commentary and trying to watch other people drive since I last saw you. I don't know whether listening to my commentary or seeing if I've learned anything from watching people driving would be a good idea. You as the instructor, okay, so if I've understood you correctly, you would like to demonstrate your commentary and show me what you have learned from watching other people driving. Is that correct? And so just that simple technique of repeating back what they've said to you and turning it into a question will help you develop a client-centered approach with your pupil. Now, there is so much that I could talk about with regard to listening, and especially active listening, but I want to make these videos as short and sweet as I possibly can, and just to give you a tidbit. So, and the tidbit today is just practice repeating back what the client has said, turning it into a question, and then being silent and giving them time to think. So if you have popped onto this live, thank you very much. Hope you have a wonderful Tuesday. Anyway, I think it is Tuesday. If it's not, someone will tell me. And I may catch up with you another time this week. Okay, be good everyone. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye-bye.